In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your X account. I'm logged in into my X account or Twitter account. Assuming you're using a PC, it may be different on a phone. So you go and on the left side, you go to where there is more, and under more, you look for settings and privacy. Settings and privacy, you go on the right side, you can change your password, you can do a lot of stuff. You move down and go to deactivate your account. So otherwise, deactivating your account is now deleting your account. Things kind of change. So you click on deactivate your account. They give you that information, So you can just go on and say deactivate. You have to kind of put in a password. So if you don't know the password for your Twitter account or your X account, you may not really be able to delete your account. So you may have to maybe reset. After resetting, then you get a password and you delete. So let me just deactivate. So deactivating is deleting. So when I click on deactivate, that is it. Your account is deactivated. That is it. That. Thanks.